Freedom of Information Strategic National Stakeholders Training Workshop 2025. The event, which draws all well-meaning Nigerians across the country to look at the perspective of Nigeria's security ecosystem and a critical overview of Freedom of Information Act 2011, Freedom of Information Law and its impact on national security and peace. The theme of this year is upholding accountability and transparency in governance. However, one of the prominent guests speak on the development and appreciate the organizers of this wonderful event.
I want to appreciate the committee, the entire speaker of the House of Representatives, and I want to thank the people that organized the workshop also.